Hello guys. Welcome to my new video. Today's video contains the 5 new most important Amazon kitchen items. This month that will amaze you, so don't skip the video and watch till the end. If you like the video, please subscribe and click the bell icon to be the first to see my new videos. Thanks, so let's start the video. The AmuseWit Gravity Electric Pepper and Salt Grinder Set is a sleek and practical addition to any kitchen. Made with high-quality stainless steel, ceramic, and acrylic materials, this grinder set is designed to last and perform well for a long time. The matte black color gives it a modern and stylish look that can complement any kitchen decor. Measuring 2.48 inches in width and 7.95 inches in height, the grinder set is compact enough to store easily, yet large enough to hold a good amount of salt and pepper. The automatic operation mode makes it convenient and easy to use with just a press of a button, saving you time and effort in the kitchen.
As an expert product marketing professional with over a decade of experience, I must say that the Hamilton Beach Electric Vegetable Chopper + Mini Food Processor is a versatile kitchen appliance that delivers efficiency and convenience. With its compact design and robust performance capabilities, this product caters to a wide range of culinary needs for individuals and families alike. One of the standout features of the Hamilton Beach Electric Vegetable Chopper is its manual operation, providing users with full control over the chopping and processing functions. This hands-on approach not only allows for precision in food preparation, but also enhances the overall cooking experience. The product dimensions of 5.2D into 5.9W into 8.H make it suitable for any kitchen size, whether spacious or compact. The sleek black color adds a touch of elegance to the appliance, blending well with modern kitchen aesthetics. With a bowl capacity of 3 cups, this food processor,
the Cuisinart Large Spin Stop Salad Spinner, is a versatile and efficient kitchen tool that makes washing, spinning, and drying salad greens a breeze. With package dimensions of 10.08 into 9.99 into 7.64 inches and an item weight of 223 pounds, this salad spinner from Cuisinart offers a compact and lightweight design that fits well in any kitchen. Manufactured by Cuisinart, a reputable company known for producing high-quality kitchen appliances, this salad spinner carries the ASEN BOCCB Sven HTN8 and has an item model number CTG ERR SAS1. The product has received positive feedback from customers, with a rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars based on 10 IN86 ratings, making it a popular choice among users. Made in China, this salad spinner ranks as the number 2 bestseller in the salad spinners category and holds the position of number 195 in the kitchen dining bestsellers list, showcasing its appeal and reliability in the market. The Cuisinart Large Spin Stop Salad Spinner was first available.
The Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker. By Instant Pot offers a versatile cooking solution with its 7 functions, making it a must-have appliance for any kitchen. With a sizable 5.68-liter capacity, this stainless steel cooker combines durability with functionality. The stainless steel and black color scheme gives the Instant Pot Duo a modern and sleek look that fits well in any kitchen decor. Measuring at 12.2 inches in diameter, 13.38 inches in width, and 12.48 inches in height, this cooker is compact, yet spacious enough to prepare meals for the whole family. One of the standout features of this product is its programmable settings, allowing users to customize cooking times and temperatures for various dishes. The 1,000-watt power ensures quick and efficient cooking, saving both time and energy. Weighing 11.8 pounds, the Instant Pot Duo is sturdy yet lightweight enough for easy handling. The touch control method adds convenience and user-friendly operation.
The Time Timer, 12-inch visual timer. 60-minute Kids Desk Countdown Clock is a reliable and versatile time management tool suitable for a wide range of applications. Crafted in a sleek black color and made from durable plastic material, this timer is not only visually appealing but also built to last. The product dimensions of 165D into 12W into 12H makes it compact enough to fit on any desk or table without taking up too much space, while the lightweight construction at 1.9 pounds ensures easy portability. One standout feature of the Time Timer 12-inch visual timer is its 60-minute countdown functionality, making it ideal for helping kids manage their time effectively during tasks, activities, or study sessions. The large display provides a clear visual representation of time passing, allowing users to monitor progress at a glance. Overall, the Time Timer 12-inch visual timer 60-minute kids' desk countdown clock combines practicality and simplicity in a well-designed package.